Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn how to install IntelliJ IDEA in your systems. So for this, we just need to start the browser. You can choose any browser you want. I am using Chrome right now. So we just need to search IntelliJ IDEA. You can see. Uh, so this is IntelliJ IDEA. This is one of the most popular ID which is used for Java compilation or to write the code in Java. So you have to click on download IntelliJ. As you can see, this interface will pop up on your screen, and you can see a download button here, and you can see there are various versions of download. So we will go with exe, and as you click on download, the download will start here. As I have downloaded it earlier, so I have already a file downloaded in my system. So you can see here. As I click on this, a process will start in background for installation. You can see the setup is loading. As soon as you see this interface, you have to just click on yes, as we are giving the permission for IntelliJ to install in our system. You have to just click on next, next, and in this you have to add bean so that the path variable set automatically for your IntelliJ ID. You have to create a shortcut for easy access, as you can see a shortcut on your desktop, and you also have to create a .java file as an associate, so that these Java files get installed, or the IntelliJ is ready for your Java projects.